What up, though, my loves? It's your girl Toy with the crazy Life and Crew here on the stairwell because we're about to head out the door and go on a little walkie walk to the library because your girl been doing some researching and came across some great news, and I need to print some stuff out. And rather than waste up my ink, it's actually going to be cheaper for me to go to the library. So that's what we're about to do. Oh yeah, and check it out. Still rocking the Zuri Rich Boom hair in the gypsy wave. Went ahead and did some tighter wine curls. Didn't actually show the video on it because unfortunately in the process I was actually recording, but I burnt the hell out of myself. I'm going to show y'all. So I was pissed off, and let me see, I want to make sure that showed up good. Yeah, see the burn on my arm? I already picked the scab and shit just because I'm crazy and I be picking scabs. But when I was doing the wanding and accidentally touched the tip of the wand to my arm, that was like end of the video, cut. It was over. So anyways, let's just go do a little cute little walkie walk to the library because I haven't been on here in a while. So we're going to vlog today. All right, you guys. Bye, puppy. See you in a few minutes. Mommy be right back. Y'all know Casanova, my lovely puppy. He is really looking at this door because he like, I want to go out, but he don't have on a leash. It's hanging right here, so he knows he's not going, and he's just like, what's with this? Why you leaving this house without me? But he'll be all right. So let's get the door locked. Cass whining at the door on the inside. I heard him. I don't know if y'all heard him, but it was cute. So you guys have definitely seen this alley before. Same alley where we had crazy shit going on in the neighborhood with bras on fences and shit. Yeah, this the alley. And let's just go ahead and make it through. Now this right here is a house that my uncle bought and purchased and then never did anything with it. So it's just sitting here decaying and rotting. So I hope everybody been doing good. I'm doing this my view instead of having it all on me like I usually do. And lo and behold, look, it's the popo. Y'all, I told y'all I live in the hood. It is the hood. Got the popo on deck. Wonder who they going to fuck with and harass. Because that's what they do. Don't know. It ain't none of my business. I ain't worried about it. We go to church where all the wicked rituals and shit go on, but they think my spirituality is evil. Now, what we are walking up on here is the rehab facility. You can check yourself in voluntarily, or You can do some dumb shit and end up in jail and go to court, and the judge tell you take your ass to drug rehab. And if you're from the south side or even from the north side, it don't even really matter. This is where they send you, and it's crazy. And then right up here, y'all have the charter school, where it's literally pre-K all the way up into 12th grade in this one school. But of course, y'all know the only true real education is to keep our babies at home and educate them on the truth, because the education we get in school is bullshit. What happened? Oh, I'm okay. How you doing? Thank you. Huh? Yeah, you cute. Your chocolate popping. And yeah, not like I'm trying to say I'm all that, but I go through this all the time. We'll see him, or actually them, again, because they're going to make sure they turn around, because he finna try to give me his number, ask me for mine, and I might do that on camera or off camera. I don't know yet. But we about to cut through this here field right here and go to the library over there. Or how we say it over here. Over there. Finna cut through this field right here and go to the library over there. Right over there. Let's see how beautiful it is, you guys. Peaceful. Don't let them lie to you about our neighborhoods. It's nice and quiet. Folks is respectful. And we just living our lives, doing what it is we do on the daily. Know what I mean? Nah, shit finna get fun. Because y'all finna have to walk through this little ditch with me. It's a dry ditch. It ain't a wet ditch. Ain't no water or nothing in there, I hope, because it ain't been raining like that. But let's just hope I don't bust my little fat ass. Ah, shit, we do got water in here. All right, let's walk around. Just when you thought you were safe. This is the library, you guys. Not too far. And we finna get in here. Use these computers. Print out some papers. And move it on back home. Hey there, how you doing? I'm doing well. Yourself? All right now. Okay. See our library? So, represent for the city of St. Pete. About to head in the library. Stop in the bathroom first. All right, my babies, y'all can see the library behind me. I'm going back through the field. I got all the documents and papers that I needed. Tomorrow, my baby is going to get a root canal, so I had to print out his referral letter so we can get his root canal for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and enjoy this beautiful ass day. I am loving it. It's so peaceful. It's nice and sunny, yet very breezy. And I'm in my natural aside from a little lip gloss and some mascara. Because y'all know I like my eyes to pop. But we finna go on back to the regular vlog. Let me get this here camera turned around so you can see what I see. And let's just get this here popping. All right, my babies. All right, well, I made it through the field no sooner than I turned the camera around. So, see what I see. And, oh, I hope y'all was loving the little outfit of the day. Got the surfer girl going on. My B-split swimwear shirt with my water jeans because it looks like waves in the water or maybe clouds in the sky. I don't know, but whatever. Like I told y'all, I'm myself. I'm individual. I don't be trying to look like nobody else. I just want to look like me. And hell, tomorrow I might dress punk or gothic or who fucking knows. It's just whatever the fuck I feel like doing. But yeah, so at the back part of the rehab facility, front part of the school. Ain't that funny how they do it in the hood? Drug rehab right by the charter school. Guess that's that school to prison pipeline. But whatever. All that garbage over there though. Like, what the hell? That garbage. Let's get on across this here road. I think we're gonna go home and start some dinner for tonight. It's the hood. It's beautiful. That's why we try to figure out why the fuck these old fuck ass crackers always rolling through fucking with us. Bitch, don't come over here unless we call for you. Don't come for us unless we send for you. Cass's favorite shitty and pissy field. Smell like a fucking dead cat or some shit. The fuck? Back at my gate. Ooh. Heavy ass gate. New neighbors been moving in. They need to clean their bullshit out the yard. Now, watch we get here to the door. And I can guarantee you, when we open this door, Casanova is going to be right here. He should be at the top of the steps, or either right on the steps, because that is what him baby does. Let's see. And look who it is. It's that baby Cass. Say hey, y'all, hey. Hey, boos, hey. See what's up? You give him some sugies. You give him some sugies, yes. Here's some sugies. That's him, baby. That's him, nug wobbin'. That's their baby. See my baby born with a natural nub. We did not clip his tail, because if we would have clipped his tail, it would have made sense to clip his ears, but he was just blessed and born like that. And him and Cutie. Say hi. Say hi. Say what's up. It's the crazy Lyfe&Krew. Yeah, he's my nub wubbing baby. All right, y'all. So, my little hot sweaty ass. Let me get up these stairs with Mr. Casanova here. That's him, baby. Sorry about the darkness. About to get you back in the light. All right. So, got the referral form for my baby. Going to the dentist tomorrow at 11. Got to get a root canal. Possible extraction. Either way, he won't be in pain no more. Bet you that right there. Right there, right there. Let me show you guys some beautiful art made by baby girl. Ladybug. She made this. Ladybug made this all on her own. Hammered into the foil. And then, of course, painted by herself. And she even made this. The brother monster. It's Monster Man. See that? My baby's so creative. 10 years old, y'all. 10 years old. Check that out. Proud mommy right here. Proud mommy. This was her actual, let me see here, drawing of her mask. And then when we were in the store, she said, let's get that heavy duty foil, Mom. I want to make my mask for you. So here it is. And the only thing I have to do to her mask for her is cut out the eyes and make some holes on the side. So she has her own awesome Papa Legba mask for Halloween. And we're going to get her a top hat. And she's got a cute little suit already. So this is going to be awesome. But yes, you guys, I just wanted to take you out to the library with me. Of course, I couldn't record in the library because, of course, it's the quiet zone and all that. But, oh, yes, let's go to the kitchen. I got something to show y'all. We're going to be cooking some dinner later on today, y'all. All right, so, yeah, my little living room and the kitchen. cookware. As you can see, I was already getting ready for some smoothies. Jit's about to come over. I don't know why I said come over. Jit is about to be here in a few minutes, and he's going to cut the pineapples for me. As you can see, you can tell when your pineapple is ready and fresh to be cut because the leaves will start drying out. When the leaves are drying out, the juice is full into the fruit. When you tap it, you should hear that sound like you hear right now. Sounds kind of like a melon that's full of juice. That means your pineapple is full of juice. Look at the bottom, everything withered and dried. These are ready to be cut. This one probably can wait a little bit longer, but y'all know my greedy ass ain't gonna wait. But anyways, let's go to dinner. So tonight, I am going to be making a salmon stew. Right here, I have my Alaska sockeye salmon. Did I say that right? Yeah. Alaska sockeye salmon fillets. The premium center cut portions, of course, because we want to make sure we get the good stuff for me and the babies. Got to put the good stuff in. The better you eat, the better you are. You literally are what you eat, you guys. Do you see how nice and pretty these are? Like, I'm so excited. And then, of course, I got the mushrooms because we're going to put some fresh mushrooms in there. And, of course, some garlic. Definitely got to have the garlic. So good for you. Nature's antibiotic. Some jasmine rice with my whole grain white quinoa. And the whole grain red quinoa. I may even cut up some potatoes in there. Oh, of course, we will be using the sweet peppers. And yeah, I'm going to put some tomatoes. Let me show you guys my refrigerator. Look at my refrigerator. Isn't that awesome? Look at my babies. See the ladybug first grade picture. 3 years ago, you guys. Actually, second grade picture. And see Zion's fourth grade picture. And then, of course, Zion right here, right now, number 3, 15 years old, handsome boy. Also has been selected by Harvard University to represent the state of Florida for the Congress and the Congressional Senate of Science and Technology for June of 2017. That's the whole team right there. See, I'm a proud mommy, you guys, but let's get to this refrigerator. This is how your refrigerator should look. You should have lots of fresh fruit and veggie. And we're going to take out some tomatoes. Actually, we're going to take out the smaller ones because we might just cut this whole bag of tomatoes up for our stew. And I think I'm going to even put some of the sweet potatoes. Oh, that got really dark. Let me turn the light on. Put some sweet potatoes in there too. And have some good stuff. But yeah, I'm not one of them fake bougie ass people. This is my real kitchen, my real stuff. Got a nice pot of peach passion chai tea here. Lovely. I make a big huge pot because we drink it and we literally kill this pot. Like, this was made this morning for breakfast. As you can see, the kids have gotten theirs. I had some, Jit had some, and this right here, what you see, this is last night's green bean casserole, which will be transferred into tonight's salmon chowder. So I might not even need to add any extra jasmine rice. Might just be adding the quinoa because, as you can see, we still got quite a bit of the green bean casserole from last night, and this was made with the 4 grain rice, as well as some jasmine rice for the essence. You see the baby. You see him, Cassie. There go him, baby. And yeah, so we had the extra fine French cut green beans with the 4 grain rice and jasmine rice with a little feta cheese and some plain yogurt to give it the creaminess. And yeah, it was awesome. Oh yeah, fresh, of course. That's why this is missing some. As you can see, like half of it is missing because half of the mushrooms went into the casserole. But as y'all seen, we got all types of fruits and veggies in the fridge. So yeah, we living good. And when Jit comes in a few, we are going to be cutting those pineapples up, adding in our coconut milk with our maca green tea and the Max Whole Greens Whole Foods powder, and making some Asa Pina Colada whole green smoothies today. So when the kiddies come in from school, they have something awesome waiting on them. And yeah, got the little Bud Light cozies. Jit drinks, I don't drink. Yes, all the dishes are clean. It's not dirty. The only one is dirty is my little bowl left over from my oatmeal this morning. And then, of course, I'm soaking my utensils in the bleach water. And what is this back here? Oh, I was wondering what that was. So, yeah, and y'all see my water purifier right here looking all crazy and ratchet and raggedy. It's going in the garbage. It did its job. HSN. Gotta love it. Supposed to last 40 years, but that was a joke. But it has absolutely lasted about, I want to say literally 8.5, 9 years. Yeah. Had it since Ladybug was about 18 months old. When I was still a work-at-home agent with Home Shopping Network. Y'all see my little smart water bottle. Yeah, I drink the electrolytic water. It's good for you guys. It's so good for you. In fact, we're about to go do a run real quick since we vlogging today. And this is the feta cheese crumbles that I used inside of the green bean casserole last night. Really good. Y'all got to learn about this. If you got an Aldi, hit Aldi up. And of course, I just clean with vinegar. And I never finish my water. And it's done sat, so I don't even want that no more. We just gonna trash that. But yeah, this my little humble home. Nothing too fancy. But you know, it's our home. We love it. Cass done had a bath, wetting up the floor and stuff. He is so cute. I love him, Pumpkin. Hey, the baby. Hey, the baby. All right. Hey, baby. Really? I said, hey. Huh? No, I ain't on the phone. I'm just recording. I'm vlogging. Say hey. They know you. Say hey. Really?
Yeah, I ain't trying to get on the kill.
You can say hey.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing?
Really? Now, last time he was all in the camera and everything. Now he want to act like he don't want to be talking with us. Y'all know folks ain't nothing these days. Now, let me stop. I'm just kidding, but it's my baby. I'll be right back. Say hi, Cass. Say hey, puppy. Cass, you just doing any and everything extra right now. Okay. It feel good out here today. Said it's supposed to get up to 83 degrees today. Because tonight it's going to be a low of 70. Got glue on my damn finger. But, oh yeah, let me show y'all my teeth. Look at them. They ain't all that shiny, shiny white. But they gonna be, because I'm gonna show y'all how to do a quick, all natural, at-home tooth whitening that literally only takes about 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how sensitive your teeth and gums are. So, we're gonna do that. Y'all gonna like that. That's gonna be fun. But that's it for my little vlog right now. I'll check back in with you guys a bit later on today. I promise I am going to be uploading like freaking crazy today. Just excuse me if it's a little bit late, because y'all know time for editing and all that good stuff. But otherwise, later, gators. Where's Cass? Oh, okay. Smooches.